Okay folks, today I'm going to show you around this vintage Muncie M20 4-speed transmission. This just came out of the estate of a lifelong Corvette collector, and it looks to be a really nice core. The collector dealt with mostly C1 Corvettes, in fact all C1 Corvettes, so 56 to 62, and this likely came out of a Corvette that was restored and had an original T10 put back in it. This was a common replacement for those cars just because they were available and they're stronger. Anyway, so it is a case that was used in 1964 to 1965, 385, 325, and it looks really nice overall. Like, all the ears are in good shape. Everything is intact. There is one stamped number here, which I can't imagine is a VIN, but it's some kind of stamped number. And then there's an assembly code here, which is kind of hard to read, but it's P01. Hard to read the rest of it. I'll try to get a good picture of it in the listing. Anyway, it looks complete, less the speedo output here. All the threads look to be in good shape. I don't see anything stripped. Everything's real nice. The pin area in the front here had a little filler put in here, which is standard on these old transmissions when they get rebuilt. The pins just like to weep a little oil, so some guys put sealer in there, so that's what's there. It spins really nice. I shifted it through all the gears. That's really good. It looks like it sat in the same position for a long time, so a lot of the gears have like light surface corrosion on them. If we get a rag even and you just wipe on it, it takes most of that off, as you can see there. So anyway, rather than go through and try to wipe off each gear, I'm selling this as a rebuildable core as opposed to a transmission that's ready to go in. That said, I know a lot of hot rod guys that would just bolt this transmission in a car with new oil and new side cover gasket and see what happens, but that's totally up to you. A couple other things I see on this transmission: the front bearing retainer where the throwout bearing slides is a little bit worn just from use. What else can I show you here? I mean, other than that, the transmission's in bare aluminum finish. It's never been like scraped across the ground on the bottom or anything funky. Again, the ears all look really nice. There's no weld repairs or anything like that. So if you've been looking for a Muncie transmission for your special car or collection, this could very well be it, guys. Don't miss it.